today is about interaction. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to put about x to the power of 3 into s squared and s. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, s squared we change by u. S ds we change by the u over number 2. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to u, dt equals to du, dv we have e to the power of u du. The integration of this one we have v equals to e to the power of u. So, because we still have about negative 7 over 2, we will keep about this one. So we have t multiplied by v. So we have u e to the power of u minus we have dt multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of u du. So the integration of this one we have e to the power of u, and then we put about c. About u, that is about s squared. Now let's go to the next one. We can use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to s, du equals to the s, dv we have 9 to the power of s ds. The integration of this one we have v equals to 9 to the power of s over ln number 9. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So I will put about 1 over ln number 9 gone here, and we have the integration 9 to the power of s ds. The integration of this one we have 9 to the power of s over ln number 9, and then we put about c. So this one we can simplify like this, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.